Does this sound like you? You work full-time, sometimes overtime, and you're still struggling to pay your bills. Your paycheck is just enough to survive, not ever enough to get ahead. You don't even like the job. You're rarely even home, and the people you're working this hard for barely get to see you. No matter how hard you work, nothing actually changes. And when people reach this point, they usually start looking for another way. What if I told you there is another way? What if I told you 2026 could be different? Maybe you've thought about investing or trading before, but it felt overwhelming, complicated, like you'd need tons of money, years of experience, or nerves of steel just to survive it. And honestly, maybe you told yourself that's for other people, not me. But here's the truth that people never hear. Every single day, regular people, just like you, are learning a skill that's quietly changing their lives. Parents who want more time with their kids. Retired folks who want their money to work for them instead of worrying if it'll last. Teachers, nurses, veterans, small business owners, truck drivers, people who never thought of themselves as traders. Most of them had zero day trading experience when they started, and they didn't start with millions of dollars either. They found a place where things were finally explained simply, where the noise was stripped away, where the focus wasn't gambling, it was learning a repeatable skill. That place is American Dream Trading, founded by Coach Chad Christian, a 34-year stock market veteran who's retired hundreds of people from their 9-to-5 job and created over 16 millionaires using simple, proven strategies. His mission is simple, changing lives one trade at a time. Maybe the biggest surprise? Most of the people who succeed here, they're just like you. They never thought they could. If you're tired of feeling stuck, if you want to build real financial freedom and financial skills for the future, if you're ready to learn instead of guess, your next move is simple. You deserve financial freedom. Your family deserves your time, and you deserve to know you're building a future where you're taken care of. The only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is that one skill you haven't learned yet. Join our free workshop. It's January 22nd, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. You can sign up right now at AmericanDreamTrading.com.